Sugar CRM instance seems to be running slowly or take an awful long time to load, I've noticed that if you change a particular setting in the admin, then it tends to speed things up a bit. So I'm going to show you how to reduce the number of items that populate in a list view during the initial load. So what you're going to do is go over to admin, go to your admin panel, and then system settings. As you can see here right at the top, list view items per page. So when my list views populate, the first 100 on that list will load. This might have been set up during the original implementation, and sometimes this is fine, but to speed up how fast my pages load, I'm just going to bring that number down to 20. So now when I go to load a page that has a list view, it's only going to populate the first 20. You can still load the next 80 to get to 100. This will just be the first 20 in view. So hopefully that speeds things up for you. Thanks so much. Bye.